Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can manage the accounting part in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the business summary, if I go to the dashboard, here you can see the company has 5 lakh investment for business. And if I go to the ledger, add to favorite, so here you can see I have created the company's bank, that is Bank of Baroda, and the capital G capital, the company's capital account also, and some of important ledgers added to the favorite. So from here accounting, let's go to the journal entry. So here I will select, let's say, journal, and here I will take the Bank of Baroda. So let's say 1 lakh investment for through the bank. So the capital investment through the bank. So I will write the 1 lakh, and the narration will write down business investment through bank. So just save this. Now if I go and check the business summary dashboard, so now you can see company has 5 lakh balance in cash and 1 lakh balance for bank. Now we can give loan and deposit to the customer. So for example, let's say from the customer create, so we need to create the customer from here. So let's say Anush Sharma. So for creating customer, the group is mandatory. So we need to create the group from the group management, create group. So let's create one group. Let's say Pune. So just create, and now I will go to the customer create. So I will select, let's say, Anush Sharma, and here I will select Pune group, and let's save. So here I have saved this one customer. Now from the search bar, just search F-month. So here you can see Anush Sharma, and just click to the loan. So let's say this customer want the personal loan of 10,000. The rate of interest, let's take 3%, and interest with principal, and let's take for 10 months. So now I will just calculate and save this loan. So before saving the loan, we can select how to disburse this loan. So through the bank or through the cash. So I will select cash, and let's save this loan. So loan number 1 has been saved successfully. So now if I go to the business summary dashboard, so here you can see now one account is open and 10,000 is deducted from cash. The loan is given to the customer Anuj Sharma. So this type we can create the multiple banks and multiple customers, and we can manage the accounting part as well in Jainam software. So from the business summary, account statement, or let's say cash statement also, just refresh. So here you can see all the details, that is capital investment, that is 5 lakh, and principal paid to the Anush Sharma is 10,000. So the accounting part also can be managed in the Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.